All right, let's jump right in. If you've got a business, you know the deal, right? It's a constant fight to get noticed online, and it can cost a fortune. But what if there was a secret weapon just sitting there, waiting for you? Well, today we're going to uncover it. I mean, it's a nonstop battle, isn't it? You pour everything into your website, you're trying to keep up with social media, and it just feels like you're shotting into the wind. The internet is just so packed, and getting customers to find you, well, it can be tough and really, really expensive.
But listen to this. What if there was this kind of overlooked tool that could basically be a powerful second home for your business online? Something super simple, super direct, and this is the key part, it speaks the language that modern search engines actually understand.
And look, this isn't just some clever metaphor I came up with. This is what business owners are actually saying. The whole idea is that a really well-made directory listing pulls everything a customer needs into one single, clean, easy-to-use page. It's not about replacing your main website, not at all. Think of it as its super-powered sidekick.
Now, just to be super clear, we're not talking about some dusty old online phone book from the 90s, okay? A modern business directory is more like an information hub. It grabs all your key details, who you are, what you do, where people can find you, and it organizes them perfectly, so it's super easy for both actual customers and search engines to read.
Okay, so this second website idea sounds pretty good, right? But the real magic is in what it actually does for you. Let's break down the 5 biggest advantages.
So, what exactly makes this thing so powerful? It's not just one single feature, it's how a bunch of benefits all work together. Really, it boils down to this: getting seen, getting trusted, and being super accessible.
All right, let's run through them. First up, visibility. These directories often rank really high in search results, so boom, you're in front of more eyeballs. Second, you get valuable backlinks. Every listing points back to your main site, which is gold for your SEO. Third is credibility. Being listed in a pro directory just makes you look more legit. Fourth is accessibility. All your important info, all in one easy place. And finally, the competitive advantage. I mean, if your competitors aren't doing this, you're already ahead of the game.
And here's maybe the most surprising part of all, the price. You'd think something with this much punch would cost a lot, right? But get this. The source says a paid plan starts at just $5.95 a month. That's insane. The return on that investment is just huge. But honestly, the value goes even deeper.
Okay, this is where things get really, really cool and kind of futuristic. This isn't just about getting found by customers today. It's about getting your business ready for how search is going to work tomorrow. It's all about making your business AI ready.
Here's the thing you have to get. Search is changing big time. It's not just about stuffing keywords onto a page anymore. Now it's about AI, assistants in those big language models, actually understanding what your business is all about. For an AI to recommend you, it has to get you first. And for that to happen, it needs your information laid out in a super clear, structured way that a machine can easily read.
This really shows the difference perfectly. Your main website, it's awesome for people, but all that fancy design and regular text can be a real headache for an AI to figure out. But your second website, that's pure structured data. It's clean. It's like giving the AI a perfect cheat sheet. Name, address, services, hours, everything's labeled. When you add something called data schema, which these paid plans do, you're not just listing your business, you're literally teaching the AI what you do. That's how you start promoting your business with AI, not just to it.
So yeah, this super simple strategy is what gives you a serious competitive edge. And believe me, this isn't some tiny niche hack. Businesses all over the world are already doing this.
I mean, just take a look at these numbers from the directory we're talking about. Over 15,000 listings in the US alone. Almost 5,000 in India, nearly 4,000 in Australia. We're talking everyone from roofers to dentists to law firms. Thousands and thousands of businesses are already using this to get seen.
So let's wrap this all up. What are we really talking about here? It's not just another listing. It's a cheap, high-impact tool. It makes it dead simple for customers to find you, and, this is the big one, it makes it dead simple for AI to understand you and recommend you. It's one little page that gives you a huge advantage.
And that really brings us to the final question you have to ask yourself. You know your competition is online. Of course they are. They've got a website, you've got a website. But in this crazy crowded world that's only getting more and more driven by AI, is one website really enough to win?